Hello friends, in this video we are learning how to use Instagram on your PC or laptop. To use Instagram on your PC, first you have to open your web browser and go to the instagram.com. Here you can see login page to your Instagram account. From here you can log into your Instagram account. So here you have to enter your Instagram username and password, or you can use your phone number or email ID which will link to your Instagram account. You can also log in with your Facebook account, and unfortunately still you don't have Instagram account, you can sign up or you can create a new Instagram account from here. So here I'm login with Facebook to my Instagram account. So you have to click on simply login as your Facebook name. After logging into your Instagram account, you will land on your Instagram feed. Here you can see my Instagram feed, and here you can see different you will get different options. Here you can see compass like icon, heart shape icon, and profile icon. From search box you can search different people, places, and hashtag. Here I am searching for myself Sami Vilne. Once and after search you will get drop down options. You have to select a right person and you have to click on it. From after that you can follow the person which you searched, and here you can if you click on Instagram or Instagram icon, you will land back to your Instagram feed. Also from search box you can search places. Here I am searching Mumbai. You can see Navi Mumbai and Mumbai, so I am clicking on Mumbai, and after that you will get all photos which link to the place which you searched. Also you can search here from hashtag. I am searching hashtag muchtech. Here you can see all photos or posts you will get after searching. And here you can see compass like icon. So if you click on compass like icon, you will get discover people and exposure option. It means Instagram suggests you people, you can follow them or ignore them as per your wish. You can here you can see all option, means you will also get a lot of people to follow. If you click on see all, you can exposure, means you can from here or like and comment on photos of others. Here you can see if you click on a heart shape icon, you will here you can track your activity on your posts. Here you can read it activity on your posts. When someone likes or comments on of your posts, you will see it here. Means this heart shape is nothing but your notification for your posts on Instagram. So and if you click on this profile icon, you will land on your personal profile. So from here you can edit your profile. Here you can edit your profile. Here you can change name, your Instagram username. Here you can also write website to your Instagram account. Here you can also update your bio. Also you can update here from private information. You can edit your email address. You can also add phone number. You can specify gender from here. If you want to keep your account private, you can click here, and your Instagram account will get private. Or if you want to account suggestion, you click on similar account suggestions. And if you want to change password of your Instagram account, you can simply click on change password, and here you can see two-way authentication of your passwords. It means you have to enter old password, new password, and you have to confirm password. After that you can change your Instagram password. You can also click on authorize the application to see which application you are using your Instagram account. Also if you click on comments, you will get different option for your comments. Hide in operative comments, means hide comments that contain words or phrases often are reported as offensive. Means you can hide comments which are using abusing words or custom keywords. Comments that contain any of the words or phrases below will be hidden. It means we can add here words which you don't want to listen from your followers in comments. And if you click on email and SMS, you will get email and SMS settings. So you can find out first about new products via emails. You can also get reminder emails from Instagram. Product emails get tips on using Instagram tools. If you click on product emails, research email provide feedback and participate in research studies. If you click on research emails, also you will get text message. If you enable this text SMS message, it means you will get reminder notification delivered by text message on your phone. And you can also manage contacts by clicking on manage contacts. The people listed here are contacts you have uploaded onto Instagram. To remove one or more contacts, select them and tap delete selected. So you can manage your contacts from here. And thus you can use Instagram account on your PC. And keep remember that you don't have any option to upload photos and videos from PC. And that's it for this.